still got one in that day, it's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say it's...
Yo, what up YouTube? It is your boy Donnn C here today, man, on this cold day in Pensacola, man. Pensacola, Florida at that, y'all. Y'all know it usually don't get cold like this in Florida, but they didn't cancel school. They didn't just did the most today, y'all, and it's really not that cold. It's a little chilly though, you know what I'm saying? It's a little chilly. You know, I'm used to North Dakota weather out there, man. Negative 40 and shit. But today, y'all, we just left the post office, man. You see, Donnn C done picked up some more merch. Some more Jeep merch, y'all. And this is actually from another sponsorship, y'all. Coming in 2024 hot, you know what I'm saying? We had the last video where I had my first sponsorship, and that didn't turn out too good, but it was still a good product. This one, my second sponsorship, y'all, and I actually got a third one on the way. In this video, we just gonna focus on unboxing that, man, and seeing how this product works out for my Jeep, man. So as soon as I put up this house, y'all, we finna unbox it, man. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, so we just pulled up. Let's go ahead and unbox it, man. Just give y'all an idea of what we unboxing today. It's supposed to be like a backseat organizer by Maiker Off-Road. I'm gonna put the link in the description. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Maiker again, by the way, for even reaching out. I mean, giving me the opportunity to sponsor with them, you know what I'm saying? But it's like this off-road utility type backseat organizer, y'all. This ain't no regular organizer, so, you know what I'm saying? It looks pretty cool, so let's see what we got. My knife and door, man. Yeah, y'all, I like unboxing all this Jeep merch and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty cool. So if y'all been watching through the channel, y'all know Donnn C been pretty basic. You know what I'm saying? Well, if you look at my Jeep, that's not basic, but I usually don't get all the upgrades. This is probably the biggest upgrade I got, is probably the handle. So let's see what this is right here. Working on that right here. Alright, y'all, here we go right here. Finally got through that second box. And this is what we looking like here. So, put that right there. I don't know what that is. Something to tighten something up, look like a clamp. This is, and also, y'all, it did say it's a fire extinguisher holder as well. So, that's probably what a lot of that extra stuff right here. You see with that little handle. But Donnn C ain't got no fire extinguisher, y'all, so probably won't be needing this. Sit that off to the side. I ain't gonna sit that on the wrap though, but here we go, y'all. Y'all see what we working with right here. This right here is gonna go in the back seat, and I'm guessing from that point on, I guess the straps and stuff will be used to, you know what I'm saying, put your little gadgets and tool on. So let's go ahead and try to throw it on the back seat, man. So yeah, y'all, I'm sitting here unboxing. Here go the two panels, man. I'm sitting up here thinking we finna just get some plastic, but y'all hear that? That is real metal. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can see on this, it says you got to screw the panels together, y'all. So this is some heavy duty, you know what I'm saying, utility accessory holder type shit, man. Well, I know I just said something crazy, y'all, but this is some a heavy duty rack, you know what I'm saying? So this is definitely made for like all your off-road gear, especially if you be taking Jeep through trails and stuff. I seen on the display, like if you go online with Maiker, which the link is in below again, so make sure y'all check it out. It had like an axe, all kinds of stuff in there. So this for them, you know, real trail riders. You know what I'm saying? Donnn C ain't really no trail rider, but I could definitely put some stuff in there. You know what I'm saying? I could put my little gadgets, like, you know what I'm saying? Maybe some air freshener. Ain't no telling what I put in there. Probably a couple snacks or something when times get real, because it's cold out here. You know what I'm saying? Hand warmer, stuff like that. But let's see what I can put in there, y'all. I get a little table for the setup, y'all. But as you can see, it take, you know what I'm saying, little Allen heads, but it did not come with an Allen head, surprisingly. It's the only bad thing so far. So I'm gonna have to go into the trunk and grab some out of this. Y'all see all these basketball shoes and shit? It's ridiculous back here, y'all. Got everything, but do got a drill, so grab this real quick. Dun, dun, dun. Just trying to get a sponsor from them right here, y'all. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. All right, y'all, so I finally got that put together. Assembly, I get that probably about a 6 out of 10, y'all. This ain't no easy. It's easy, but you know what I'm saying? It's kind of tedious a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Trying to understand it from just these instructions. It doesn't really go into detail, but here it is. And we were hanging by the headrest. So let's go ahead and install it now, y'all. And also, y'all, it comes with string, like little bungee cord strings, y'all. So you stick it through these loops here. You know what I'm saying? And we kind of tie it off, but once we hang it up, y'all, I'll try to tie a couple things off just to see how it works out and see how much it can withstand, y'all. All right, y'all, so bringing the rack in now. Let's try to hang it up now on the back seat. Might get in the way for just a couple seconds. So. Wait, let me show y'all this real quick. It comes with a buckle, y'all, so it's almost like a seatbelt, so I could just latch it right in. So, let's put it right in. All right, y'all, here y'all see where it's still a little loose. We're actually gonna go around front now. So you still have this visible strap here. Let's go ahead and tighten this up now. Only thing is, I don't know how I feel about this right here, y'all, and how you might have to slide it over. So that way when you're driving, it won't be an uncomfortable ride for you. That's the only thing I can say about that. When I come around, and there you go. There you have it. It's actually pretty nice though, y'all. Nice and sturdy. You see? I'm shaking pretty hard, y'all, and it won't move, y'all. So let's try to strap a couple things on there. All right, y'all. So you see, I got my straps ready. Let's see what I can hang on here, y'all. I see right here, yeah, I got my little hunting knife. You know what I'm saying? Let's see how this will work in there. Y'all see that? That's thing dangerous now. So let's try to hang it up here. Stuffing that in there, tighten it up. And I'm assuming for show you'll probably just tuck it back in to, you know what I'm saying, hide the excess, and there you have it. That's just one of the few things that I could choose to hang up. And you see, y'all, it's a tactical rack, y'all, so it's for that heavy duty stuff. Like you see, it came with the fire extinguisher rack and everything like that, pieces to assemble that, y'all, but I didn't assemble that because Donnn doesn't absolutely need that. I don't even have a fire extinguisher to, you know what I'm saying, just put it up there and show y'all how it works, you know what I'm saying? So those two pieces I did not connect, but you seeing it's good for gadgets. Like I put my survival knife in there, and you can put weapons of all sorts on there. I can actually put the picture right here for you, right there. I'm saying it's nice. It's a nice rack, y'all. I definitely see myself using this in the future. That cold got me sniffing, but man, as far as my personal review on this product by Maiker Off-Road, man, it is absolutely outstanding. Like I really like it, you know what I'm saying? In their display, they had guns, knives, fire extinguishers. Like I said, y'all, we talked about it before in the video, but like I said, you don't have to use that heavy duty stuff, y'all. You can use stuff like, you know what I'm saying, phone chargers, just everyday things that go in your car, you know what I'm saying? Because you might be like Donnn and not have all that heavy duty tactical type stuff, you know what I'm saying? I got a couple tactical things in this truck, y'all, but it's not something I would want to just, you know what I'm saying, leave out like that and in the way of people who ride in the back seat. But I could definitely use it for traveling wise, you know what I'm saying? Chargers, and probably hang your laptop some kind of way up there. You probably can't hang your laptop up there, which I'm sure you can if you can hang a whole fire extinguisher up there, y'all. As far as my review, I give this a good 9 out of 10. Only thing I didn't like was the assembly. They should be have a little bit more detail on the instructions, but you'll figure it out. It's not that hard, guys, you know what I'm saying? But it took a little bit longer than I expected, but overall it was a good outcome. I'm very pleased with this product. Definitely looking to get some more products from this sponsor, y'all. This is probably one of my more favorite products from out of all the Jeep accessories I've received so far. So appreciate that again, Maiker. Make sure y'all check out the link in the description. We got a lot coming up. It's almost that time for Jeep Beach, y'all. You know what I said, man. After Jeep Beach, Donnn is getting rid of the gold wrap. So we got a lot of stuff to come in tune for y'all. I know I've been ghost lately, but Donnn needed a break, man. Sometimes, you know, it's good to take a step back and reset, man. But now that I'm reset, I'm ready to go, y'all. So make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe for your boy Donnn C. Check out that link in the description by Maiker Off-Road. Hope to see a lot more product for them, y'all. And we out of here, man.